Welcome back to Natural Hub channel, where we explore the wonders of natural remedies and healthy living. Today, we're diving into the excellent health benefits of eating pepper and discovering which types of pepper can work wonders for your well-being. Bell peppers are immunity boosters that are not only colorful and delicious, but also packed with nutrients like vitamin C, which is crucial for a healthy immune system. Including bell peppers in your diet can help strengthen your body's defenses against infections and illnesses. Chili peppers are for pain relief. Did you know that chili peppers contain capsaicin, a compound known for its pain-relieving properties? Consuming chili peppers or adding a dash of chili powder to your meals can help alleviate pain, especially for conditions like arthritis and muscle soreness. Black pepper is a digestive health food and isn't just a common seasoning, it's also great for your digestive system. The piperine in black pepper stimulates the production of digestive enzymes, aiding in better digestion and nutrient absorption. It can also help relieve gas and bloating. Cayenne pepper is used for metabolism boosters and is famous for its heat, but it also offers metabolic benefits. The capsaicin in cayenne pepper can increase your metabolic rate, promoting calorie burning and weight management. Incorporating cayenne pepper into your meals may help support your weight loss goals. Combining turmeric with black pepper enhances the absorption of curcumine, the active compound in turmeric known for its potent anti-inflammatory properties. This turmeric pepper blend can help reduce inflammation in conditions like arthritis and improve overall joint health. White pepper contains compounds that can help clear congestion and promote respiratory health. It may be beneficial for individuals dealing with respiratory issues like asthma or allergies. Adding a pinch of white pepper to soups or teas can offer relief. Some studies suggest that certain peppers, such as red bell peppers and cayenne pepper, may have heart protective benefits. They can help lower cholesterol levels, improve blood circulation, and support cardiovascular health when consumed regularly as part of a balanced diet. In conclusion, the various types of pepper offer a wide range of health benefits, from boosting immunity and relieving pain to improving digestion and supporting heart health. Remember to incorporate different peppers into your meals to enjoy their diverse advantages. Fun facts: pepper was once used as currency. Centuries ago, pepper was so highly valued that it was used as a form of currency. In ancient times, pepper was considered a luxury item and was even used to pay taxes, rent, and dowries. Its scarcity and exotic appeal made it a symbol of wealth and prestige, highlighting its historical significance beyond its culinary and medicinal uses. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more health tips and natural remedies. Thanks for watching and stay healthy.